Hey guys, welcome back. So in today's video I will be showing you how you can download OnlyOffice on your Windows. So first thing first, you need to get to official website onlyoffice.com. Then you will see this web page right here. Now what you need to do, just scroll down a little bit. So it's right over here. So as you can see, from your PC, edit docs offline with free Office apps for Windows, Linux and Mac OS. So right here, click on download now. Now you just select for Windows. So you just need to uh, use what you have. So I will go with that one. And this is basically it. This is, as you can see, now it's downloading. So now that we downloaded the editor, we open the map and right here click to install, run. So now I will set up this. So language is English, pretty simple, and next. Now we just need to go through installation process. Create OnlyOffice desktop icon right here, next. Like so, next, and install. Now we will wait that everything is installed, extracting files, and then it will be on our computer. So this is how you install OnlyOffice on your PC. Sorry. So I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.